Hey everybody, we're in Albuquerque, New Mexico right now in windstorm number 3. That's right, our 3rd windstorm since we've been here. It doesn't sound all that bad right now, but it is. I'm wearing my beanie and my hoodie is on, not because it's cold, it's about 71 degrees outside right now, but because the wind is blowing so much dust right now that we feel like we're being sandblasted. Above the slide out on this guy's RV is flapping in the wind. And we just got ours replaced last year, so we ended up bringing our slides in because we didn't want them getting all tore up. How many of you bring your slides in during windstorms? Comment below, please. That's I-40 over here.
Watch that truck disappear.
Yep, the truck's just gonna disappear in the dust.
Ew, my eyes are burning. Oh God, we need to pull over. We can't see shit. Over, the debris is flying down.
Yep.
We got debris.
Got debris.
Listen to that hit the car.